Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how can you remove a phone number from Roblox account. In order to remove phone number, you'll have to first of all open the Roblox application. And once you are logged in, this is how the interface will look like. Now here what you need to do is click the more button from the bottom of the page. Next you simply want to go to settings. As you go to settings, here comes the account info. Click that out. Once you go to account info section, over here you could find phone number underneath email address. Since I do not have this option due to some security concern due to the regional barrier, so I cannot show you the procedure from this. But what you need to do is just simply click that out, and then you want to click on the pencil shape icon or the paper car icon next to it. On the pop-up screen, you'll need or option to click on edit or remove the phone number, and if you want to remove it, click the remove phone number button, after which Roblox will require you to verify your account password to confirm the removal, and you'll have successfully removed the phone number from Roblox account. This is how you could remove phone number from Roblox account. If you are unable to use or if you are unable to remove it, then you want to contact support. For that, you want to come to the account info section once again, go to security, and here you could go ahead and click on the support center, or you could just go ahead and click on the settings and go to help center, and then you could go remove phone number from the account. And this way you'll have successfully removed phone number from Roblox account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.